Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to insert an image in Photoshop in 2025. So whether you are editing the photos, making a poster or creating a design, this is the simplest way to add and position your images in your project. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your Adobe Photoshop 2025. I'm currently using the Adobe Photoshop 2019. So whichever Adobe version you are using, you just have to come here, then hover over to the top and click on the option of File. Over here, click on the option of New. Now you need to set your canvas size, the resolution and the background color. For example, by default, it is going to give you some of these options, but you can select the 1920 into 1080 pixels for HD designs. Now, once you have done that, simply click on the option of create and your canvas is going to look something like this. Now, you need to again go to the file option here on the top. Over here you are going to see the option of open. Now once you click on the option of open, you are going to see all of the images which are available on your device. So you just have to select that particular image which you want to basically insert in your Photoshop, and then as you can see the file is now inserted and now you can use it for your project. Now there is also another way for you to add or insert the photograph over here. So when you go to the file option, you will see the option of place embed. So if the image is saved on your computer, you just have to simply click on it, and after that click on the option of place. Now as you can see, the image that we have inserted here is completely clickable and resizable. So you can just drag and drop it over here and adjust it according to the frame, just like this. Now again, you can start using or editing this particular image on your device. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.